Here we have the anterior of our heart model, and we're going to start with the superior vena cava, right atrium, right ventricle. This is the right coronary artery, the anterior interventricular artery, and the anterior interventricular vein, also known as the great cardiac vein, left atrium, left ventricle, pulmonary trunk branching into pulmonary arteries, aorta, and we have the ascending aorta, the aortic arch, and we have coming off the aorta the brachiocephalic trunk, the left carotid artery, and the left subclavian artery. Here we have the circumflex artery, and we can see the descending aorta, the pulmonary veins, right and left, superior and inferior, the coronary sinus, the superior vena cava again, the inferior vena cava, and I'm going to tip this a little bit. Oops. And we've got the posterior interventricular vein, also known as the middle cardiac vein, and the posterior interventricular artery. We're going to come around again, and we're going to open up maybe the heart. Okay. Oops. All right. Here we have the right atrium. We can see the fossa ovalis here. This is the opening of the coronary sinus, which would drain right into the atrium. Here is the tricuspid valve separating the right atrium from the right ventricle. These little stringy things would be our chordae tendineae. Here is the pulmonary valve going between the right ventricle and the pulmonary trunk. Here is the tricuspid valve, its chordae tendineae, and papillary muscles would be here. There's the aortic valve and the left atria and the left ventricle.